Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Aid and rescue workers are making their way to the central region of Japan, where a massive 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck early New Year's Day. The quake triggered tsunami warnings for Ishikawa, Niigata, and Toyama prefectures, and authorities urged thousands of people to evacuate. Powerful aftershocks have been reported near the epicenter, some measuring as strong as magnitude 5 on the Richter scale. Initial reports from the BBC indicate thousands may be trapped under rubble as hundreds of buildings were destroyed. It's not immediately clear whether there have been any confirmed deaths. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see the time where we live in right now? Wanna see what a go on? 7.6 magnitude earthquake, a dangerous earthquake that my viewers and subscribers. 7.6 dangerous, It really dangerous, man. Jaja, you see why we have to prepare ourselves? We have to prepare ourselves. We have to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Me I tell you now, for this a time where we are living right now. You understand? I'm really feel it for them. Because it's a 7.6 magnitude, dangerous and wicked. You understand? So we just have to pray and ask God, say, we don't want that come for we. We don't want to get no over 7, not even 6, we don't want, not even 5, 4, we don't want to get. You get me? Much less 7. We can't manage that. We cannot manage that. So we have to start prayer and cancel. Anything like that that come for we have to cancel it and ask God to have mercy upon us. All right? So tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. One of Jamaica's anti-corruption watchdog is pressing for the swift prosecution in 2024 of politicians who are being investigated for alleged illicit enrichment. Director of National Integrity Action, NIA, Daniel Archer, made the call in response to questions from about the issues the NIA wants addressed in the new year. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, there must be things that we forget about the 6th thief. We not forget about Uno. And you see all these things now, you're not supposed to go over in 2024 with all the same issue. You understand? A full time now, Juliet Oldness will come out and name out the 6 and the other 40 thief them were there. Because we know see a whole heap of them there. Not only the 6. The 6 is the main culprit. But they have the rest of them. Listen. The whole of them are the same thing. The whole of them is the same blouse and skirt thing. Not only the 40, but the whole of them and the Oldness administration. They're so corrupt because them not declare what they're supposed to declare. They're not declaring their assets. You understand? Now we don't want 2024 with all this rubbish. Juliet Oldness now for just free up and we know what go on. But the thing is now, she's not going to do that because it's alleged she is a part of it. This is why when sister she be the Madam Speaker, it was all a plan. I'm telling you all the while. It is all a plan. Something with them plan out. You get me? For protect our husband. Yeah, that for protect their reputation. That's all it is. You understand? And I don't believe somebody like Juliet Oldness should not deal with things like that when her husband is involved in these things. No, it shouldn't be somebody. It shouldn't be somebody from an independent sources come out and deal with these things. Not Juliet Oldness, because she hold on crucial evidence. You understand? She get advice And she don't want she not even want to mention it to the opposition side. She don't want the opposition side know what was the advice about or their opinion on it. You understand? They want to send it over to oversight committee where the whole of the labor right them there so they can pick and choose and fling aside and hide and push up in a corner. And that them want to do. You understand? So I like how the lady come out and attack things them and I step up to the plate. Because 2024 shouldn't be really about all this. All of them something here. The 6 Teef should have done from 2023. So it's full time now. And not joke time, a serious time, a full time now. We step out and make them know where we're depend. We want to know the 6 Teef. Before Andrew Holness called election, we want to know the 6 Teef because Andrew Holness failed to declare when he's supposed to declare. And when he finally declared, the Integrity Commission, they weren't satisfied. Something not right. Something is missing. That's why I'm telling us that them a thief. You understand? Because if you not declare asset, remember saying no, they not declare their asset. I must some of them a thief. That's why. Because why you don't want to declare it. And when they declare it, how comes the Integrity Commission they never satisfy? You understand? So I want to just pick sense out of nonsense. I want to already not talk about people because Andrew Holness and this and that. We have to cuss out Andrew Holness clot. Because Andrew Holness not care about we, the Jamaican people. And not until you can accept that, you will never see what Andrew Holness is doing. And you going to realize when it is too late. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So, you see, my viewers and subscribers, them over here. I like you, because you don't know what go on from what I go on. You understand? One full of wisdom just like me. I don't talk a little pricky when them come over and go like they want disrespect the thing. When they know say Andrew Holness I keep up pure foolishness. And 2024 when that we want. We want name to start call and people to start to get fire. And that we want people to start to step down and resign. This is what we want because we want a better future for our country. You understand me? So now tell me one thing. Put an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Hear this.
Yeah, man, and the shit water, this now, we're downtown this day, you can't believe them dirty bloody water come from the hospital, then dead people water, and them shit water, I run on the street, I run to the people, I run for the food where we are eat, and them things in the Coronation Market. Them things can't go on. Them things need to stop going to another. Right now, the town for lockdown, you know. Right now, water downtown for lockdown. Yeah, man, the town for lockdown for them, dead people water, this, shit water, all kind of water mixed up, I eat, I run for the people, where the people them live, Where all the people them live.
My viewers and subscribers, want to see what I go on. And when done Andrew Holness I point at the well. Downtown market that. Want to hear what the man say? Bloody water. Them water here come from the hospital. Shitty water. Tell me now. Want to see what I go on. And these are the things. One time I show certain things, I get vexed. And I say, oh, me I bring down the country. How me if I bring down the country when this is a reality? We have to show it so the government can fix it. You understand me? Look at that. A market that, market where people are sell. I buy onions, scallion, tomato, thyme, them something there. Just imagine the whole around. Just imagine the onions, scallion, thyme, and they drop. What do you think people are going to do? When they drop in them, the dirty, filthy water there. What do you think people them are going to do? What do you think vendor them are going to do? Them are going to dash it where? They not dash it where. Them are going to sell it to the same way. Same way. That's why enough people get sick and they do not know. So this is why I show and say, I have to show certain things when I see it. Because Andrew Holness a joke. Am I going like he's doing his best when he doing and do all these things that can kill people. Listen, Andrew like when people dead, He ain't like when people dead. I believe so. I wonder if he own funeral home and them something there. Because I believe say him like it. Because anything to do with sickness, them not interested. Christopher Tufton worse. Him not care one bit. He always only come out and run off him mouth. That's all. You know, do nothing to help the people them. All him do is invest in the private health system. That's it. Something like this, it is disgusting. The place need to fix. Them something I need to fix. You know, see how the thing red. Bloody water. You know, sometimes when I see certain things, man, how me that's why I telling us I love my people them, How me say things like this and don't say nothing. And I heal Andrew. When Andrew not care. You understand? We don't need to go man and fix up the place, man, for the people them. It's not right. Filthy water with food there. We can't do that. We have to do better than that. All the mayor for Kingston, what happened to him? Eh? All him do a walk around and flinging thing all about and make a girl them a fight over him. Eh? And when fi do him now do. My viewers and subscribers, when I say certain things, man, may I tell you, it pain me heart because it is unacceptable. And then Andrew Holness, when he ready in travel all about and tell them how Jamaica is involving and Jamaica is doing well. Lie. Pure lie you walk and tell right in front of our face and everybody seems like it's okay. When you know in yourself say, I lie the Prime Minister tell. These things are disgusting and nasty. Bloody water, shitty water run. I run down on the road where food are sell. Eh? Jaja, me I tell you no. Me understand with the vendors, you know, they don't have nowhere else to go and they want to make money. Everybody want money. But this is disgusting, man. Come on. But you know, tell me what you think, yeah, my viewers and subscribers, and put your honest opinion in the comment section. Because I want to hear phone of views on this. You understand me? Like and share out the video. Subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell and click all. So when I drop the video them, I'm gonna get them straight away. I'm on the road to 20K. So guys, I'm gonna just like and share. Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.